This is an introduction to OrthoVision's analysis chart feature. To get to the screen, select Analysis and then Analysis Chart in the upper left menu. As you can see, OrthoVision's analysis chart shows your patient's information across the top, followed by your measurements and the date at which they were taken. The means and standard deviations of each measurement are shown directly beside your measurements. In the upper right, we have our standard zoom tools, simple fit to width option, fit to vertical option, and finally our zoom slider. Beside these zoom tools, we have our exporting functions. Our first option is the export to Excel file function, which creates a spreadsheet of our current report. Our next option is the image upload function, which creates an image of the report and attaches it to the patient record within the OrthoVision database on your machine. The next exporting tool is the capture function, which, when clicked, copies an image of the current page of the report to your clipboard for later pasting into either a word processor, email, or image program. Next, we have the exporting function, which creates an image of the current page of the report and allows you to save it anywhere on your computer. And finally, we have the print function, which prints the report out on your printer. We can quickly change the type of analysis on the screen by clicking on the drop-down menu in the analysis toolbox. For now, we'll select Steiner, and when we do so, we'll instantly see our new measurements, new graphs, new standard deviations, and new means on our report. When you select the drop-down menu in the Treatment Record Set List area, you can select exactly which record you'd like to show in this analysis, or you can add a second or third set of data to this analysis. Finally, in the template list section, you can choose a format of your report. OrthoVision includes 5 different templates for your lateral ceph report. The default template includes a polygonal graph with your dataset grouped together in skeletal and denture measurements. The second template includes the graph and simply displays your dataset without any grouping. The third set includes only your measurements without a polygonal graph. The fourth template is a landscape version of our first template, which includes a polygonal graph and dataset grouping. And finally, the last template is a landscape version with a polygonal graph, grouping, and a shot of a ceph x-ray. This concludes our introduction to OrthoVision's analysis chart feature. If you have any additional questions, please refer to our user manual or feel free to contact our customer support.